Welcome to Easy Meals by Yvette. Today we will be making a delicious no-bake cream cheese pumpkin pie. For this recipe, we will need the following items. We're going to need a pie crust, 1 can of 100% pureed pumpkin, 8 ounces of cream cheese, and a can of cream. I did purchase these items at the 99-cent store, and I do have a prior video on so many goodies that I did purchase at the 99-cent store, just giving you some ideas on how you can obtain many items for less. Next thing is you grab a bowl, and your cream cheese will need to be room temperature. Let me see, let me check and see. Oh yes, it's soft. So here's your cream cheese, room temperature. I did forget to mention, you will need some sugar for sweetness. I am only going to add half a cup. You can add more if you like it very sweet. I don't like it that sweet, so just half a cup will do for me. Okay, the next step, you're going to add some of your cream. That makes it easier to mix. You just keep adding it and mixing. Once you got that mixed, then you will add your pumpkin puree. And you mix again. You just keep adding little by little, and you keep mixing. Okay, it's nice and creamy. You can taste it and see if you like the sweetness. That seems good enough for me. But if you think you need more sugar, then you just add a little bit more sugar. Yummy. Now that everything is mixed, you've got your batter. You're just going to pour it on to the pie crust. Doesn't that look delicious and so creamy? After that, you just put the cover on, and you would need to refrigerate it for about 4 hours. You could leave it overnight if you'd like. I'm going to leave it in the fridge for 4 hours, and I will show you the result afterwards. So I did go ahead and cut a piece, and it is very delicious, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the fridge and leave it overnight. However, I will eat my piece because it is very good. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.